Can you see yourself? Yeah? Okay. Hi. Hi. Take your sticker butt. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Deja. Hello. This is my baby lady. This is my son. I'm pretty sure all you guys should know. If you don't know, this is my kid. Today's video said we are going to be showing you guys our hair routine. You tell them no, no, no. Today I'm going to be showing you guys. Yeah, dude. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys what I do to my hair, what I do to Layden's head. Why are you trying to leave me? You cannot leave me. You cannot leave me. Layden was actually born with, a lot of people ask me what it is. Let me show you. So the back of Layden's head, as you can see right here, is eczema. It was really, really bad, but we have medication and stuff for him now. He was born with it. I have eczema really bad, and eczema is genetic, so he has it really bad, and that patch is just eczema. Everyone asks me what it is and what's this and what's that, so yeah, that's what it is. A lot of stuff does irritate him, and it irritates that spot, and I just try to go around it, but you know, like, I don't want it to irritate him because he does like scratch at it and stuff. So I just kind of add the basics to his hair. And for my hair, everyone asks me what I do to it, and you guys might be so mad because it's like the simplest thing that I've been doing since I cut my hair, and as you can see, my hair has grown a lot. What? This is crazy, okay? So I'm gonna just show you guys what I put in my hair, what I put in Layden's hair. Layden, baby! First, what I'm going to do is put his little towel around him. Please, baby. Look, what is this? What is that? What animal is that? What is that? Dog. Good job. So those are my dogs. Dog. So I'm going to start off by spraying some water in his head. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, we gotta get drenched because mommy has to comb this out. Layden has super tight curls like I do. Oh, say I'm drenching. Say it's dripping, mama, it's dripping. But they're really long. Like when I wash his hair goes like down here in the shower. But say, hey, you got water all on your face. Mommy. So after I apply the water to his hair, I'm going to be applying this. This is not the Ayudad. I just kind of reuse this bottle. It has mostly water, a little bit of some of my leave-in conditioner. I just like to spray it so it's a little easier for me to just comb through his hair. So this is just water and conditioner. Yeah, there you go. You spraying it in your hair? Layden's curls are super tangly, huh, baby? Ooh. Ooh. You showing them? Say that's for my hair. Ooh, baby. You got some tangles. Sorry. I love your curls. They're so curly. You sleepy? Okay, after his hair is combed out, that kind of took longer than I expected. I'm adding some Jamaican black castor oil to his hair. I've been putting this in his hair since he was little. This actually helped a lot with his cradle cap, as his cradle cap took most of his hair out, like he was bald. So this helped a lot with hair growth. I don't put it in the area on the back of his head. I kind of want that to clear up first. On his wash days and stuff, I would go section out his hair and put it on his scalp and stuff. I'm going to be applying just a little bit of some of this coconut oil to his hair, just the same way. Just the same way. Are you saying what's up? Say what's up. Hey, what's up, May? What's up, May? Then, spray a little more water so all that can just juice it up. Let's comb it out one more time. Clump your curls like mommy clumps her curls. Got clump your curls. Look up, baby. Alright, that's the latest curly hair routine. Now it's mommy's turn, okay? Okay, get up, my turn. Now it's my turn, and you guys are really gonna be mad because I literally only put like one thing in my hair, 2 or 3 if I want the curls to really like hold how like the wet look all day. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I do. Let me wet my hair first. This is my hair, super dry, no product at all. I'm gonna wet my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys know the tip, and like for me, the best way I apply my product is when my hair is super wet, like drenched. Okay, I know y'all just seen me dry it a little bit. I don't want it to be like dripping all over me, so I'm just gonna put this around me. I'm gonna wet it some more because I like my hair like dripping wet. Just try it. If you don't apply your product to your hair while it's like soaked, try it. I guarantee you'll like it how your hair dries 100 times more than how your hair dries when it's like semi-wet. This is my holy grail, my go-to, my always used product. Only thing I use in my hair, you guys. Only thing. I have a pretty good amount to my hair, all over my hair, mostly like at the ends though, and then I just like work my way through it. Just apply this all the way through, and then what I like to start doing is like low-key finger detangling. Like I don't use a comb or anything to comb out my hair, and I feel like this is why my curls just look so much better, because I just run through it like this and make sure everything is combed out. Like this hand, like one hand I'll use to like comb, and the other one is like I'm clumping my curls all together and distributing like the conditioner all through it. Because this takes a while, so then what I would do is I'll like, I'll just like go back and spray a little more water. Here you go, you want the spray bottle? Spray a little bit more water and just like go through it some more. As you can see, like you can already see the difference from the sides of my hair. Like this is just wet with conditioner, and this is after I went through and like finger detangled low-key. Okay, I had to reposition the camera because it's about to be a lot of head tilting and turning. This is how my curls are looking after I like finger detangled and stuff like that. Just spray a little more water because my hair loves water. Then I'm gonna just do like the same type of motion, just so like the parts in my hair, there won't be no parts and stuff, like me centering it down the middle. I just want to make sure all my curls are being gripped and grabbed. Alright, so that's that. That's my hair. Like I said, normally I would just leave it like this and let it dry, and that's how, hey, go baby, go baby. That's how my hair would look, and this is how you guys mostly see it and ask me, so literally all I use is my conditioner and water. But now, since it's like getting to be winter and cold and my hair is getting a little dry, I'm going to be applying some oil, which is just the same brand, the Aussie Moist. I just picked this up at Target because I was like, I just need an oil, but this stuff smells bomb. Like, I don't know, it just smells so good. But on days where I want my hair to stay looking wet and stuff, and I think I'm gonna do that today, I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of mousse to it, which is the same brand, Aussie Moist. This is not sponsored. This is just cheap. I literally picked, this was like the first thing I seen, I picked it up, and I just needed it for my wigs. But I'm gonna just use a little bit of this with this type of motion because I don't want my curls to like separate. Like after you're done applying everything into your hair, you want to make sure not to touch your hair like after you're done styling. Like do not touch it. So then after that, I'm just going to apply and lock everything in with some oil. A lot of it actually, because I need all of it up in here. Then I'll just do the praying hands motion with the oil. Wow. Put that back, Bubba. Yeah. Can you put it back for me? Thank you. Thank you, big boy. Just make sure everything is locked on in there. And that's pretty much it. That's all I do. I do lay my baby hairs and stuff because it's weird. My hair is wet like this, but it'll dry up and back. Like it's weird. So I do lay my baby hairs sometimes. I'm not gonna do it today. I was gonna put my hair like up in a ponytail type of thing, but I kind of don't feel like it. I just want it to dry like this. Alright you guys, so that will conclude today's video. Say these are our curls. Put your head down so they can see. Woo! Check us out! Check us out! Alright you guys, so that will conclude today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you get a big thumbs up. I told you guys, my curly hair routine is the simplest and you guys have been begging me to do it. And I literally, that's all I do. Say I'm ready to go eat my lunch. You're so silly. But yeah, that's all I do to my hair. And mostly it literally is. It's just the conditioner and water. Are you telling them to come here? And I guess it's the technique I do with like clumping and combing at the same time that my curls are really just light. Like everyone's hair is different. And my hair, I guess I've been doing it since my hair was like an inch long from when I did my big chop, that I kind of trained my curls to do that. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. If you made this far and you're not yet subscribed, say why. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And on that note, say I love you guys. Say bye. Bye. Cover the camera. Thank you.